All right, well, welcome back to another video, everyone. So I've got another amazing location for you here today. So this is an abandoned house. It's actually kind of a mansion, at least by size anyway. Not by how extravagant it is or how expensive the the decoration is, the interior design, but just by pure size. It has 4 kitchens. It's just massive, and it looks like it was originally started as a smaller house, and whoever the owner was kind of built it up over the years. Now they've actually turned the place into a few different apartments. So it looks like there were 4 or 5 apartments. There's also like 3 separate meters on the house. So yeah, definitely multiple families were living here. Probably not associated with one another. Maybe some of them were bachelor apartments as well. So, it wouldn't even been a family that lived here. Anyway, this place, there's a lot to see. There's some really cool work that you've seen outside already, like those shoe forms for making shoes. So I'm not really sure of the whole story about this one yet, but I'll try and get it in the long run. But it's possible that whoever owned it was actually a shoemaker, like trained as a shoemaker in their earlier days. So we'll see what I can find, if there is any information available about this place. But you guys are gonna love this one. It's massive, and it's so interesting, so unique. So let's check out this static space. So this is kitchen number 1. I think there's like 4 kitchens. Oh, wow. So we got a secret door here too. And this is the best part of the fireplace. What is this? Really cool wood floors that were probably over. Okay. So like I mentioned in the intro, we've got a great house for you here today. I was about to say little house, but by no means is it little. It's actually quite big. So it looks like we got a mudroom here. So I'm actually refilming this one. It's a bit odd. Don't lock the door. So yeah, I'm actually refilming this one because I kind of rushed it last time, and it was also getting dark, so this should be a bit better quality. I don't think this place has been abandoned all that long. Nice door here. Look at these, they're probably like storage cabinets at one point in time, maybe. I'm not really sure. But they're all taped shut now. This one kind of reminds me of the Eccentric Recluse house a little bit, just because it's very DIY, but nowhere near to the extent that the other one was. The other one was so over the top. So we got a fire extinguisher. Let's see what the date is on that. Oh, yep, February 2022. So that's not that long ago at all. So yeah, this place has not been abandoned all that long. There's all these little decals up here. These are nice doors as well. Actually, those might be stickers, so it might have been regular glass. And then just to give it a bit more privacy, they put these stickers on. So here's your front door. What a beauty. Even got beveled glass here in the corners. Located close to downtown in a small Ontario town, we find this eclectic masterpiece of a house. This is kind of like a, I don't know what you call this. It's almost like a sunroom or a porch area. Not really sunroom because there's not enough windows, but it's kind of the idea anyway. So this is kitchen number 1. I think there's like 4 kitchens, which is pretty insane. So definitely looks like this place was broken up into apartments. Nothing in the fridge. This is strange though, like this is very DIY. Like look at how wobbly it is too. You're not going to be able to put very much on top of that. And it's basically held together with duct tape. So yeah, as far as I could tell, I think this house was probably built in the 40s or 50s. Oh, this, yeah, fluorescent light cover is really cool. I'd like to see that in working order. Unfortunately, there's no power here. Pretty warm day outside. Well, decent anyway. It's kind of weird having blinds but no window. So yeah, not a bad little room here. Got a nice retro light fixture. Look at this hallway. And it's not straight at all. Like, everything's so wonky in here. Here's bathroom number 1. I think there's at least 4 bathrooms in here too. But see, this is how you can tell like everything's so DIY. Like this coat rack, which is actually, towel rack, which is actually pretty nice. It's being held together with duct tape essentially. And this house is pretty much completely empty too. Well, there's this back scrubber. Yeah, it looks like someone let off a fire extinguisher maybe. On this, you can see it all on this red carpet here. What started out as a relatively average sized home had been slowly expanded over the years to create a maze of rooms in what now resembles more of a mansion. Lots of nice sheer curtains in this house. Dare I call it a mansion? I mean, it is size-wise, but it's not exactly extravagant by any means. So it looks like they closed off a doorway here. It's interesting. Liking this sort of hospital green vibe we got going on in here. Oh, we got a blue room here. This is a nice room. Oh, wow. Check out that light fixture. I've never seen a blue light fixture like that before. That is great. That's one of my favorites. Very, very cool. It's a little lopsided, but... And this is like, I think this is... They put this carpet in themselves too. Because it's not the greatest job. Huh. Yeah. Like I said, very DIY house. And originally when I saw this before, I thought it was a vacuum, but it's actually a hairdryer. So that's pretty interesting. There were columns leading to the front door, many different surface types, such as brick and stonework, and of course the shoe forms, built into parts of the structure as well. Got some cool cabinets up here, glass windows. Look at all the wood trim on here. The woodwork, I should say, not wood trim. It's really, really nice stuff, actually. That trim work. Look at the grain of that wood. Oh, we got some Rose wallpaper. So we got a secret door here too. And this kind of tells you, gives you an idea of the age of the house, right? So you can see some of the original materials. Look at these old timbers and the old electrical work without a ground. So, you know, right there, you know, it's probably 50s or earlier. Look at this light fixture. That's great. Close that up. Even that's pretty nice. Looks like a medicine cabinet for a bathroom. This is my favorite part. This fireplace. It's amazing. Except for the upper section, I don't really like that. And it doesn't look like it's been all that well done. I mean, it works, it's just not pretty, right? This is nice. A really nice piece of wood. Oh, it's all covered in dust. And the mirror is cool too. It's got this like, these decorative corners here, as well as in the center. Oh, and look at this. Very, very cool. So your nice stonework there. And this is the best part of the fireplace. These like river rocks here. Those are just amazing. Wow. All hand done. You can see that they were a little closer together here, and then as he moved this way, they were further apart. And actually it looks like they got closer together here again. But that is just beautiful. Let's go this way into this room. Little accordion door here. Oh, check out this bathroom. Really liking this. Look at these curtains. That's what I like about this bathroom, these curtains. This orangey, frilly thing up top. That color is just amazing. Yeah, like there's literally nothing left here. Oh, dirty shower, eh? It's a lot of work. It's an older tub for sure. Could be original to the home, I would think. Oh, check out this light fixture too. That's pretty ornate. This is a nice room. You've got, I'm guessing this is wainscoting here. I mean, I guess it can be called that. Then your chair rail, I think this is called. It's nice though. And then of course they put, you know, just the cheap wood paneling up top, but this stuff's nice, this woodwork. Shiplap or whatever it is. And then you got the beams throughout the room. More of these curtains. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. And a wardrobe here. So I guess this was a bedroom. Look at that woodwork. And of course the door jamb and that's really nice as well. A trim. So here we have kitchen number 2. And this kitchen is amazing. Love it. See, this is what screams 40s or 50s. They even put wallpaper on the side of the cabinet. Look at these cabinets though. Really nice color. And I like these handles as well. Too bad those are painted though. Look at that countertop. Yeah, it's small, but I just like the look of it, like a lot. Oh wow, even look at this outlet cover here. They're upside down, but you know, it is what it is. Anything in the fridge? Nothing. Yeah, nothing. That's a fairly modern stove, but I like this kitchen. Even the tile work on the floor and this blue accent trim is great. Oh, here's some old cabinets. I wonder if these were from the main kitchen out front. They're probably the original cabinets from there. Wow. I can only imagine what that kitchen would have looked like before they updated it. All right, so let's go down into the basement here. I gotta watch my head because very low clearance. It's even worse on the way up. So you got your staircase here. The home looked as though it had been broken up into several apartments, with a number 5 on one of the doors, indicating at least that many units. Oh, we've got a cool old stove here. Too bad it's got this filing cabinet up top of it, on top of it. Wow. That is cool. Wood burning, I'm assuming. Yeah, I'd like to see the whole thing, but that's still pretty cool. And 2 sets of washer dryers. That one's pretty old. Hot point. This one's definitely 90s here. Make it a little brighter for you guys. And I'd really like to see what's in here, in this crawl space, but yeah, I'm not going in there. Not a chance. Another crawl space. Oh my gosh, and another. Holy, they sure like their crawl spaces here. That's a cool old crate back there with the leather handles. What is this? We got those kind of look like cherries. They are so fermented though. Holy. Wow. Making cherry wine or something maybe? Who knows? Yeah, it looks like they had 4 of those. Very cool. Furnace here, that's a big furnace. And your deep freeze, always gotta have a deep freeze. Wow, check out this room. Whoa. Huh. This light fixture is the greatest. Really liking that. And these curtains, cool. It's a pretty heavy duty door here. Nice staircase. Well, that's a cool view. So this goes out to the porch, or the deck I should say, but can't really open it. Probably for safety. It's in really rough shape. Let's see if I can get that focused. There we go. So yeah, nice little hallway here. Look at these really cool wood floors that were probably covered up for years. They're really worn, but if you just restain these, they could be really cool. All right, let's go this way first. Okay, this room's kind of boring. Looks like they started to renovate the place and then gave up. So we're at 2 kitchens so far, right? think there's something wrong with that ceiling fan. So here's kitchen number 3, galley kitchen. Was this like 80s cupboards, I think. Always got to check the fridge and freezer. Nothing in there. Still a little stinky though. Oh, look at this room. Another one of these wardrobes. And of course you've got cool mirror here. I don't know if we went in that part of the house. Oh yeah, we did. That was off of the fireplace room. So another bathroom. What's this? Bathroom number 3. Oh, carpet. It's a bit strange. Ooh, bar soap. Finally found something that they left. Other than that back scrubber. Oh, got some different style trim work here. Yeah, nothing too exciting in this room either. Oh, this is cool. Shame this has all been torn up like this though. Wow. Looks good. Yeah, they've got all these nails sticking up here. This is the subfloor, so they took down all the flooring. Got another deck here. I started to go up the stairs on this one, then I was like, nope, that does not look safe. Yeah, very colorful in parts as well. Lots of color in this house. Yeah, I've got all sorts of photos here. Maybe of the former owners. All sorts, yeah. All like photos of kids and stuff. So it was a happy family, yeah, 5, there you go. So maybe there were 5 apartments in here and only some of them had kitchens. Maybe there was a communal kitchen. This bathroom though, can you imagine trying to use a shower? That would be pretty difficult. And it just keeps going. This place is just massive. Basement was a little small though, surprisingly. Got some nice windows here. Oh, this one's falling out. Oops. Oh, it's not even, it's just like plexiglass or something. There we go. Back the way it was. And the other stuff is tinted glass. Oh, this is pretty dirty. Gotta clean your ceiling fans. Wonder if there was no air conditioning here, so they were like, they'd have to run the ceiling fan all the time just to kind of try and stay cool in the hot summer months. Another interesting room here though. Oh, that one's filthy. But yeah, it's already warm up here and it's not even that hot of a day, so I can only imagine what it would be like when it's 30 degrees in the summer, midsummer. Very cool room though. Liking the color scheme a lot. There's one more thing I wanted to show you here. You can see those pillars there coming up to the main entrance. That's pretty cool. Okay, here we got another one. Oh boy. The floor here is caving in. Definitely got to be careful in here. Look at that. I'm not going anywhere near there. Forget it. Roof's been leaking. Got an old golf club bag there, which is pretty cool. It's, there we go. I don't know how this floor is going to be, but... Oh, check this out. Bottle cap collection. Those are really old, too. That is pretty cool. Those are super old, like 80s, 70s or 80s. In terms of like a bottle cap collection anyway. Oh, check out this bed. Wow. Can't imagine that'd be super comfortable, but maybe. That wallpaper. The home was sold in 2021 to a development company, and the current proposal is to build a 7-story apartment building with 193 units on this and the neighboring property. This is outbuilding number 3 here. And this one has 2 sections as well. Oh, I don't like this floor. Does not feel solid. Cool old high chair. Let's check out the other side. I saw some stuff in there, so looked kind of interesting. Really nice door as well. Yeah, I like that door a lot. Oh, yeah, there's not much in here. Just some odds and ends. Wendy's cup. Oh, this fridge though, that's cool. Oh yeah, look at that. I think that's for your eggs there. Love that color, that like hospital green. And that's your freezer. I don't like the freezer though, I must admit. I want like a proper freezer, but that's, I mean, just the style of this fridge, color scheme and the designs, it's great. And here's the final outbuilding, number 4. Oh, I don't like this floor either. Well, there's not far to go, so you've got those cool curtains. And then this light fixture. Well, that's pretty solid there, I think. Really like that light fixture, actually. Wow, that is cool. It's very light though. And then you got this. Wow, so much to see at this house. Unbelievable. Like, even the outside of this house is eclectic. Look at all the different styles here. Different types of brick. Got probably crawl space there. It's almost like they built this themselves. I don't know about these stairs though. I'm trying to go up to the I don't know. I don't trust this. That's as far up as I'm gonna go. So, and of course these, like, I think these are part of, oh, maybe this was from people that used to make shoes, actually. I thought it was mannequin parts initially, but it's all feet stuff, so maybe that's what it is. It's for shoemaking. All the nice stonework as well. I don't know, and then they got siding. Like, this is such an odd house. Like, it has no definitive style or anything. And then you've got these little columns here. Jeez, what a place. All right, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Pretty cool space, so much to see here, right? And it just had so much character. And even this light fixture here that I gotta watch that I don't hit my head on. This is like, hangs like 6 feet off the ground. It's really close. Anyway, thanks a lot for all your support. Really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a like. Throw a comment down below if you have anything to say. Share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all at the next Static Space.